Verma, what were the meaning when he talked about Rajbhasha?
You know, Rahul, I will come to the distinction between Rajbhasha and Rashtrabhasha, something raised by Sumansi Raman. But I just want to say that, you know, the opposition has this very convenient habit of quoting half-truths. Amit Shah in his speech clearly said that Hindi एक ऐसी भाषा है जो हमको एकता की सूत्र में पिरोता है. It is a unifying force. And JP Nadda also said हिंदी सिर्फ एक भाषा नहीं, एक भाव की अभिव्यक्ति है. Hindi is not just a language but expression of our overall emotion as a nation. And last but not the least, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said हिंदी की सहजता, हिंदी की सरलता ने हमको सशक्त और समृद्ध बनाया है. The lucidity of Hindi as a language has empowered us as a nation, made us more progressive and inclusive, is what Prime Minister Modi said. I'm quoting ad verbatim and translating what he said in Hindi into English. Now, when Amit Shah spoke about Rajbhasha and Rashtrabhasha, there is no need to raise a stink about it. What he meant was, like we all are aware, since 1949-50, Hindi has been the official language, not the national language, as per Article 343(1) of the Constitution. And Rahul, in 20 seconds, I'll tell you one thing. Do you know who decided to make Hindi the official language? It was a three-man committee. It had a South Indian in that committee, N. Gopalaswamy Iyengar. You had the chairperson of the committee, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and you had K.M. Munshi. So Hindi being made the official language is as per what is famously called the Munshi-Iyengar formula. And I want to tell Sumansi Raman and even some of the leaders from JDS, when you talk about Hindi being given dominance, what did Amit Shah say? He said हिंदी के साथ साथ स्थानीय भाषाओं के विकास के प्रति हम प्रतिबद्ध हैं. We are committed to promoting not just Hindi but the native languages of given regions too. So please don't quote Amit Shah conveniently.
When is Tamil Divas?
Okay, one second. Let me very quickly, viewers. Nizam bhai, if you can just help out India's three-language policy, let's just pull out that.
Celebrated across the country.
Oh, okay, one second. Doctor, no, 1 second. Both of you don't. Just 1 second.
10 seconds more.
I don't know.
Okay, please
ask her.
10 seconds
Miss
more.
Verma. Yes, 10 seconds.
More.
Okay,
No.
respond
Okay.
to it.
And I just want to say one thing. That, you know, Hindi is our
unifying
official language.